Hello student, let us continue chapter number 8. In the previous video we have discussed about the unemployment. So today we are going to discuss measures. For the solution of this problem, many voluntary organizations and the government have developed plans and policies as follows. Shelter for the economically backwards. Second, free education. Third, pure drinking water. Fourth, cleanliness. Fifth, mobile medical service. Sixth, encouragement to cottage industry and handicraft industry with simplified loan facility. Seventh one, by providing nutritious food, which is the primary need, the government is trying to improve the situation in slum areas. Now, student, for your knowledge, things to know. Farmers in the village are provided loans on reasonable interest rate for farming and animal husbandry. And that is why the Green Revolution and the White Revolution have flourished. Consequently, the production in agriculture and dairy industry has increased. Now, the last topic is terrorism. Terrorism is a global problem. Terrorist activities are an obstacle in the progress of a nation. It is an evil effort to disturb the peace, brotherhood, and unity of a nation. Terrorism inflicts fear in people through violence and hatred. The goal of terrorism is never sacred, pure, or good. Terrorism is an inhuman act carried out by a certain group of people in a planned way. It resorts to bullying, killing, and torturing somebody. Terrorism is a challenge for any government. Terrorism is an easy way to display power forcefully. Innocent people become a target of massacres anywhere. In the past, there were terrorist attacks on the parliament, Hotel Taj, Mumbai share market, local train, and on Akshardham, etc. Terrorism is pure hatred and cruelty. It has got nothing to do with kinsman, religion, or language. Now, the measures. We have to face it with bravery and courage. The Intelligence Bureau of the nation should be strong and active. Awareness regarding cooperating with the security agencies has to be developed. People have to be very alert at public or crowded places. One must not pay attention to rumor and should not panic in the times of crisis. The security forces should be well equipped with CCTV cameras and metal detectors. Apart from this, various other challenges faced by the nation and orthodoxy, communalism, regionalism, discrimination based on language, border issues, and rehabilitation after natural disasters. So, student, study these in detail and try to know the possible solutions of this problem. Now, I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.